Hello students, welcome to Jupiter's Online Academy. We are discussing about chapter 1 Odd Man Out. In that, our first question, see, we have four options. From these four options, we have to choose one answer. That will be our odd man out, means the different one. So, in first options, these two dots are placed one side only. Second option also, these two dots are placed one side. In fourth option, these two dots are placed one side. But in case of third option, these two lines are placed diagonally. Means option 1, option 2, option 4 are similar. But option 3 is different from these three options. So here option 3 is our answer. Next, question number 2. In option 1, these two lines are placed horizontally. In option 3, these two lines are placed horizontally. In option 4 also, these two lines are placed horizontally, but in case of option 2, these two lines are placed vertically. So in this, 2 is our answer. Next, question number 3. See, in option 1 we have only one arrow. In option 2 we have two arrows. In option 3 we have two dotted two sides. In option 4 these two are similar. See, if we observe option 2, these two similar. In option 3 these two similar. In option 4 also these two corners similar. But in case of option 1 we have only one arrow this side. This side is empty. So 1 is our answer here. Next question number 4. In this first option these two are straight lines. In second option also these two are straight lines. In fourth option these two are straight lines. But in case of third option these are somewhat curved. So 3 is our answer in this question. Next, fifth question. See, in first option this arrow showing upwards, then down, then up, then down, means opposite direction. In second option right side, left, then left side, then right, means actually in third arrow it should show right side, but it has shown to left side. In option 3 down, up, down, up. In option 4 left, right, left, right, means in option 1, option 3, option 4 these arrows are showing opposite, but in case of option 2 here right, left, next it should be shown right side, but it has shown to left side. So 2 is our answer here. Next, coming to sixth question. Option 1, option 3 and option 4 are similar, but in case of option 2 it is different from all these three options. So option 2 is our answer. Question number 7. In question number 7, first option and second option, third option, students observe carefully. In these three options these figures are similar, but in case of option 4 it is different. Observe carefully here. See, so in this question 4 is our answer. Next, question number 8. See, to complete this question number 8, we know already logic figure, that is, I will draw here. See, we know this figure. We have four sides in this figure. So, first figure is showing in this direction. Next, second one in this direction. Third one in this direction. Fourth one showing in this direction. But we don't have that figure in the given. So, this will be our answer in this question. Next, question number 9. In this question number 9, option A means option 1, option 2, option 3 figures are similar. Observe, see arrow, curved shape, arrow, curved shape, arrow and curved shape. But in case of option 4, we have two arrows, two sides. Means 4 is our answer in this question. In this 10th question, see, in option 1, we have small circle and cross mark. In option number 2 also we have small circle, cross mark. In option 4 we have small circle, cross mark. But in case of option 3 we have only small circle. So 3 is our answer in this question. Next, question number 11. See, to complete this question number 11 we know already clockwise direction and this is anti-clockwise direction. See, in first option it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction, means anti-clockwise. In second option it is also rotating in anti-clockwise direction. In third option it is rotating in clockwise direction. In fourth option it is rotating in anti-clockwise direction. See, if we observe carefully, first option, second option and fourth options are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. But in case of option 3 It is rotating in clockwise direction. Means third is our answer in this question. Next, question number 12. See, in second option, these two shaded parts are opposite to each other. In third option also, these two shaded parts are opposite to each other. In fourth option also, these two shaded parts opposite to each other. But in case of option 1, these two shaded parts are not opposite to each other. So, 1 is our answer in this question. So, in this 13th question, first option and second option and third option are we used to wear upper part, but option 4 we used to wear bottom part. So 4 is our answer in this question. Next, coming to 14th question, in option 1 and option 3 and option 4 we have only one figure, we don't have any figure inside. But in case of option 2 we have two figures, means outside one figure, inside one figure. So 2 is our answer. Next, question number 15. See, in question number 15, option 1 is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. In option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. In option 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. In option 4 also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Means in option 2, option 3, option 4, these all circles are divided into equal, that is 8 parts. But in case of option 1, it is divided into 6 parts. Means option 1 is different from these 3 options. So 1 is our answer in this question. See, in question number 16, first options, how many lines we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 lines we have in first option. In second option, 1, 2, 3, 3 lines. In third option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines we have. In fourth option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So, if you observe carefully, students, in second option, third option, fourth option, we have odd number of lines, means 3, 5, 7. But in case of option 1, we have even number of lines, that is 4. So 1 is our answer. Next, question number 17. First option, we have only one symbol in this square. In second option also we have only one symbol in this square. In third option also we have only one symbol in this square. But in case of fourth options, we have two symbols in this square. So when we compare these 4 options, option 4 is different from these 3 options. So 4 is our answer in this question. Question number 18. See, if we observe carefully, except option 2, all remaining these 3 options are made by lines. Means this second option is made by curves. So 2 is our answer in this question. In this 19th question, if you observe carefully, in option 2, this circle is exactly placed between the two circles and opposite. In option 3 also, this circle, means shaded circle, is placed between the two circles and opposite. In option 4 also, this shaded circle is placed between the circles and opposite. But in case of option 1, this shaded circle is not placed between the circles. So 1 is our answer in this question. Next, coming to question number 20. First option, see, observe carefully. First option, second option and third options are related to bird. But in case of option 4, it is related to snake. So 4 is our answer. Next, in question number 21, option 1, that is chili, option 2, salt, and option 4, garam masala are related with vegetables. But option 3, that is honey, is not related with vegetables. So 3 is our answer. Question number 22. In option 1, the circle and these two lines are placed opposite, means it is opposite. In option 2, the circle and two lines are placed same side. In option 3 also, this circle and two lines are placed same side. In option 4 also, these two lines and the circle is placed same side. But in case of option 1, it is placed opposite side. So 1 is our answer. Next, question number 23. See, in first option, this here. In first option and third option and fourth option, these figures are locating at the corners, and we have first curved shape, then small circle, then bigger circle. In this also curved shape, small circle, bigger circle. In fourth option also curved shape, small circle, bigger circle. But in case of second option, we have curved shape, then bigger circle, then small circle. Means second option is different from these three options. So 2 is our answer. In 24th question, observe carefully students. In option 1, how many lines we have checked? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is divided. See, observe carefully. So in option 1 we have 5 lines. In option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. In option 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines we have. In option 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So if we observe carefully, in option 1, option 3 and option 4 we have same number of lines, that is 5. But in case of option 4 we have only 4 lines. So 2 is our answer. In 25 question, in this question we have to check in clockwise direction, that is in this direction. So in first option, say if we go clockwise direction means in this direction, we have first triangle then circle. In second option, in clockwise direction means first we have triangle then circle, means same as first figure. And in case of option 3, if we observe in clockwise direction, first we have circle, after that we have triangle. In fourth option, if we observe carefully students, in clockwise direction first we have triangle, after that circle. See, in option 1, option 2, option 4 we have first triangle and circle, triangle and circle, triangle and circle. But in case of option 3 we have first circle, after that triangle. So 3 is our answer. Question number 26, observe carefully. In option 1, if we check in clockwise direction means like this. After shaded area we have one dotted circle, and in second option also if we observe in clockwise direction means in this direction, after shaded part we have dotted circle. In option 3 if we observe in clockwise direction, after shaded part we have dotted circle. And in case of option 4, if we observe in clockwise direction, first we have dotted circle, then after shaded part. See, in option 1, option 2, option 3 we have first dotted area, shaded part, after that dotted circle. But in case of option 4, first we have dotted circle, after that shaded part. So 4 is our answer. Question number 27, see, in first option, second option and fourth options only 2 lines are divided into 4 equal parts. In this option also and in this option also. But in case of option 3 we have inside 3 lines. So in option 1, option 2, option 4 only 2 lines are divided into 4 equal parts. But in case of option 3, 3 lines are divided into 4 equal parts. So 3 is our answer. Question number 28, in option 1 and option 3 and option 4 are outside figure we have square and inside figure also square, but it is inverse. In third option we have outside figure rectangle, inside figure is in inverse design. In fourth option, outside figure we have triangle, inside it is inverse. So but in case of option 2 it is not inverse. So 2 is our answer. Question number 29, option 2, option 3, option 4 are made by lines, but in case of option 1 it is made by curved shape, means 1 is our answer. Next, question number 30, see, in option 2 and option 3, option 4 we have same figures inside and outside, but it is inverse. See, in option 2 we have triangle outside, inside also triangle, but it is reversed. In option 3, outside we have 5 sides, inside also we have 5 sides, but it is reversed. In option 4 we have 4 sides outside, inside also 4 sides, but it is reversed. But in case of option 1 we have outside other one figure, inside also other figure. So option 1 is our answer.